In this activity, we are given an expression, asked to simplify the expression, and then evaluate both expressions for a given value of the variable, then determine if the expressions are equivalent. In the first row, we are given the expression 5w minus 2 times the quantity 4 minus 2w. Because we have minus 2 here, which is equivalent to plus negative 2, to clear the parentheses, we distribute negative 2. So beginning with the given expression, we distribute negative 2, which gives us 5w, and then negative 2 times 4 is equal to negative 8. Instead of writing plus negative 8, let's write minus 8, which is equivalent. And then we have negative 2 times negative 2w, which is positive 4w, which gives us plus 4w. The next step is to combine like terms. We have two w terms. 5w and 4w are like terms. 5w plus 4w is 9w. The expression simplifies to 9w minus 8. And now we want to evaluate both expressions, meaning the original and the simplified expression, when w equals negative 2. Let's first evaluate the original expression by substituting negative 2 for w here and here, which will give us 5 times negative 2 minus 2 times the quantity 4 minus 2 times negative 2. Following the order of operations, we simplify within the innermost parentheses first. Inside these parentheses here, we have subtraction and multiplication. We multiply first. 2 times negative 2 is equal to negative 4. This simplifies to 4 minus negative 4, or 4 plus 4. So let's write this as 5 times negative 2 minus 2 times 4 plus 4. Again, we could have written this as 4 minus negative 4, which is equivalent to plus 4. Still simplifying inside the parentheses, we need to find the sum of 4 and 4, which is 8. This simplifies to 5 times negative 2 minus 2 times 8. Next step is to multiply. 5 times negative 2 is equal to negative 10. And then we have minus 2 times 8, and therefore we have minus 16, which equals negative 26. And now we want to evaluate the simplified expression when w equals negative 2, which gives us 9 times negative 2 minus 8. Multiplying before subtracting, 9 times negative 2 is equal to negative 18. Negative 18 minus 8 is equal to negative 26. Whenever we evaluate an expression and the simplified form of the expression for a particular value of the variable, we should always get the same value. And that's because both expressions are equivalent. So we enter yes in this last column, asking if the expressions are equivalent. For the second example, there are no parentheses to clear, and therefore the first step is to combine like terms. Starting with the original expression, 3xy and 4xy are like terms. Negative 6x and negative 2x are also like terms. 3xy plus 4xy is 7xy, and negative 6x minus 2x is negative 8x. And instead of writing plus negative 8x, it's more common to write minus 8x, which is equivalent. And again, now we want to evaluate both expressions when x equals 3 and y equals negative 1. Beginning with the original expression, performing the substitution, 3xy is 3 times negative 1, minus 6x is minus 6 times 3, plus 4xy is plus 4 times 3 times negative 1, and minus 2x is minus 2 times 3. To simplify here, we begin by multiplying. 3 times negative 1 is negative 9. We have negative 9 minus 6 times 3 is 18. And then we have plus 4 times 3 times negative 1 is negative 12. And then we have minus 2 times 3, which is minus 6. And now adding and subtracting from left to right, negative 9 minus 18 is negative 27. Negative 27 plus negative 12 is negative 39. Negative 39 minus 6 is equal to negative 45. Now we want to evaluate the simplified expression. Substituting 3 for x and negative 1 for y gives us 7 times 3 times negative 1 minus 8 times 3. Multiplying before subtracting, 7 times 3 times negative 1 is negative 21, minus 8 times 3 is 24. Negative 21 minus 24 is equal to negative 45. Just as expected, we get the same value using either expression, and that's because both expressions are equivalent. I hope you found this helpful.